Welcome to the CedCommerce MCF channel tutorial. Here we will guide you through the essential steps for seamless order fulfillment. Let's get started. Initiate the process by selecting the Install App button. Subsequently, you'll be directed to the MCF app where the connection to your Shopify account will be established. Please select a relevant country to which your account belongs from the drop-down. Once done, click on Sign in with Amazon MCF account. Now you need to authorize CedCommerce MCF channel. Scroll down and check the box showing the message saying, I direct Amazon to provide CedCommerce MCF channel access to my selling partner account and related data. I am responsible for any actions taken by application. Once you confirm, CedCommerce MCF channel will be authorized to access selling data to your behalf. We are authorizing CedCommerce MCF channel to access your seller data. You will receive message Amazon MCF account connected successfully. The last phase is configurations. Here you need to scroll down and hit the Save button. Once done, you will visit the Dashboard section. Here you can see the order status, product linking, activities, as well as app guide. In Product Listing section, you can view the Amazon MCF product details over here. This includes products, name, image, stock quantity as well as action. In linking and kitting close match, linking required, linked kitting options will be shown. When you go to linking required section, you can link the product by clicking the button or undo linking. You will receive message, are you sure you want to unlink the products? Click on Yes. When you come to kitting section, you can see the products, SKU, and barcode of Shopify. You can check if any kits are created or not. You can create kits by clicking on Manage or Delete Products by clicking Delete button. When you click on Manage, a pop-up will open. Here you can search for Amazon MCF products or add them to be kit with your Shopify products. You can see selected Amazon MCF products. Once done, click on Done button. In Settings section, you will find General, Product Linking, Order Shipping, Speed Mapping, and Account Details. You can make changes in each setting one by one. In Shipping Speed Mapping, you can come to Advanced Shipping Mapping. Here you can select shipping for Amazon and Shopify for different countries. Note, cross-border fulfillment is not allowed by MCF as your connected sales channel and MCF accounts belong to different countries. Once done, click on Save. In Account Details, you can get an overview of active account credentials of Amazon and Shopify. You can disconnect the account from here as well. When you click on Shopify, you will be redirected to Shopify panel. Here you can see all the orders, products, customers, contents, analytics, marketing, discount, sales. In Order section, go to Drafts. Create order. Here you can search for the products for which order is to be created. In Payment section, go to Collect Payment. Here you can enter credit card detail or mark as paid. When you check on Mark as paid, it will create an order. Mark this order as paid and click on Create Order. To change the shop location. Once you select the location from the drop-down, click on Change Location button. Now go to Customer. Here you can edit the address of the shipping. If there are multiple addresses, you can select the one from the drop-down. Now click on Save. In Next Step, click on Request Fulfillment. You will be redirected to Request Fulfillment section. In Summary section, go to Send Fulfillment Request. In Notification section, you can see a new order ID is generated on Amazon MCF. In Order Listing section, you can see order ID, order name, cost, items, created at, status, action. Go to Order Name and click the name. In the Action section, you can click on View. Here you can see all the order, details, customer information, shipping address. In the linking and kitting Go to Manage Kitting. Here you can see the Shopify product. Product title, SKU, quality, action, selected MCF products are mentioned here. Now click on Done. You will receive a message kitting updated successfully. Now in Create Order section you will search for the product. You can add the shipping and delivery option. Now go to Collect Payment. Choose Mark as Paid and click on Create Order. From the Customer section, find the name of customer. Click on the 3 dots and choose Edit Shipping Address. And click on Save. You can change the location by clicking on the 3 dots. Click on the shop location. Choose the location and click on Change Location. Now click on Request Fulfillment. Click Send Fulfillment Request. You will see fulfillment in progress. Check the notification. Now go to Order Listing. Here you can see the orders are listed. You will find order ID, order name, cost, items, created at, status action. On clicking View, you will be able to see Kit MCF products. Go to Select Actions and click on Cancel Orders. Once cancelled, it will be reflected in Dashboard. In Product Listing, select the products. Click on Sync Inventory. In Notification, you can see all the updates. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey through the CedCommerce MCF channel. From installation to advanced order management, you're now equipped to optimize your fulfillment process. Thanks for watching.